Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Okay.
You made easy work of that snowdrift. As you glide to a gentle stop, raise your buckle up.
Looks beautiful.
What's up, guys? It's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. I just got off of Penguin Trek for the very first time. Let me tell you something, launches. If you know anything about me and my channel, you know I love me some launches. This is considered a family attraction, so it's a little tame, but it does have some awesome elements with its launches and airtime. I really did enjoy this coaster, and you can experience it for yourself in just a couple of days. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.